Hi guys, this is George Robinson here from GFP Business. I just want to give you a quick run over on Woopra, a online website tracking and analytics tool. It's very good, it's all we use. There is different paid versions, but all that we use is the free version, and it is fine for the majority of the work that we do. Now you can see here we've got 3 sites in here live already that we're tracking. If we just go and have a quick look at one of them. The first page, you got a dashboard which gives you a brief overview of everything going on today or right now. You can see the countries where people have visited from. You can see the main pages that they have visited. There's been a total of 14 visitors and visits of 21, so a few of these visitors have visited more than once today, and the total actions of 61, so there's different pages that they've clicked on, etc. You can see visitors. Currently there is no visitors. Come down to analytics. There's a lot of information in here. If we start at the start overview, you can see today's total Sunday is here, which we were looking at just before on the overview on the dashboard page, sorry. Below that it shows yesterday, so there's a total of 38 visitors, 67 visits and 202 actions. Now there's not a lot of numbers here, and we'd like to see them increase, of course, and over time they will as we put some more work into it, but we haven't really started marketing it too well yet. Now it's different systems. Back to visitors, you can see the different countries where they came from. So the majority is from the United States, 43% of them, 10% Australia. Then you can break it down into cities, regions, different companies, etc. Now if we go over to systems, it shows that the majority are on desktops, which includes laptops, 89%, but also mobile devices, smartphones and tablets is increasing all the time, so you need to be aware of that. So you need to make sure your sites are viewable from these devices. Content shows the different pages that they have, people have landed on. Referrers, where they've come from, direct links, social networks, search engines, backlinks, etc. Campaigns if you're running any, search queries, so people that are typing into search engines such as Google, GoFund places, and it tells you how much. So it gives you an idea of what sort of keywords you need to put in. If you're going to run a AdWords campaign, for example, it gives you a lot of content, a lot of educated information that you can work on from there. If we go to back up to the live visitors, where are we? And dashboards. So anyway, this is basically the summary of what it can do, the information it can give you. Now if we quickly run through on how to set this up. Now on our training.gfp business site, one of the sections in here under marketing, websites, you've got this page. It gives you a brief overview. Maybe I need to refresh that. It does, this will change a little bit going forward, but anyway. Now the 3 different things here, we've got new website, domains and tracking. So we click on there, it takes you down to here. Gives you a bit of information like we've discussed. Like basically if you're running ads on Facebook and also have a Twitter account that you're using to promote your site, would you not want to know where the majority of the traffic was coming from, so that you can then change what is not working and improve on what is, etc. So anyway, we can sign up here. This will take us to Woopra site. Now what we'll do is we'll quickly set up an account just to run you through it. George, last name, GFP. Company, we're not worried about. Company size, less than 5 people, sounds good. Now they do require a phone number. Not that I've ever been called by them, but you never know. Username, probably a good idea to put in your site actually. So we're going to use, say, George Training. Be good if I could spell training though, wouldn't it? TR Training. Email address info@traininggfp.com. obviously you're going to put in a real one there. Password, and should be good. Sign up. Congratulations, you are now a Woopra member. Let's get your website added. Alright, so what what's the name of your website. We'll say this one is going to be george.gfpbusiness.com. Now our time zone is +10 Brisbane, and the type of website, we'll just say it's a blog. Now it gives you different options here for paid members, so if you're very serious into this, which in time we all hope to be, I guess, no doubt comes a headache with it though. So anyway, free is all we need. It gives us 30,000 actions per month, 3 months of data retention, but you can't share it with anyone, so it means you can only have it on one computer at a time, but you can have it on mobile devices. There's an iPhone app, an iPad app, etc. So it's all good stuff. Anyway, the free one's a great place to start, and as I say, that's still all we're using, and it's fine. Then click add website. Visitor timeout 5 minutes is fine. Track URL parameters, put that in there, so tick the box, it'll add a bit of code. Now this code here we want to copy, and we want to paste it into a notepad document, which is just simple and it doesn't upset too much of the code. If you paste it into Word and a few others, it can get a bit ugly, but just a standard text document is fine. Then file, save as, we'll just save it to our desktop, and we're going to call it Woopra GFP code, or whatever you would like to call it. Click save, replace it, yes. Now, so all you have to do is send us an email and attach this notepad document with the code. We will put it in your website, and then you'll let you know when it's all good. When it is, you will be on, you'll go to woopra.com/live, and it will ask you to log in with your username and password that you set up just before, and then it will come up here with your website, which you'll click on and run through here. Very simple stuff, but a very useful tool going forward. There's a lot of information in here, which is all good stuff when you get your head around it. But that's it for now. Thank you.